Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening we'll fill in those trim holes. We need to do that. And didn't go get me a flange tool yet, so we're kind of stuck on that part down there. But I think I'm going to fill in these holes and then look at that back quarter. Take some of that Bondo out and see if it's just a dent or if there's rust, and maybe think about how we'll tackle that part. So far, I did a check over that tub back there, and I didn't see anything that looked concerning, but don't know until get all the paint and Bondo off. But once we fill those holes, we'll get to try this guy out. I think it'll work to knock down the welds, and then we'll finish it up with the little angle grinder. And before I try to use these copper backing plate to kind of help plug the welds with. But yeah, I think that might be it tonight. I'm not 100% sure. Again, I'm getting here relatively early. It's about 7:30, and I need to be in about an hour to tuck the kids in. So we'll go as far as we can and see how far we get. But first, we're going to take the paint, and if I can point back that way, paint off all those holes. And I think there's one bolt we need to take out. And then I got some of that paint stripper, so we need to clear that out. And I think we'll be ready to start welding. But we'll get started. That was just kind of gross, but I do not see how a little mouse can get all the way up here on the trash can, and why would they? I mean, I guess if he has a home in that frame, he may have came out of there and just hop over, but there's nothing up here to eat. Anyways, I need to address this mess here and mess right there, because he's having a lot of hidey holes through there and underneath here, and especially back that way. Need to clean all that out. And if you're wondering what that stove is, that was going to be my powder coating stove. That's one of the main reasons I bought that, was so I could sand away old paint, and then get a powder coating gun, and then powder coat and cook it in the oven. Like I said before, there's a bunch of suspension parts that I'd like to powder coat, if possible. Just anything that's small enough they'll fit in that oven, and it won't be damaged if I at 400 degrees or so. I'm gonna powder coat it, hopefully. But anyways, I got a mouse. You can see there's some shells down there, so he's around here somewhere. Especially under here. See all the hay and I guess nuts and stuff. So he has a bunch of hidey holes. But anyways, my main goal coming up, other than working on this, is getting this all cleared out so we can use our bench. And the other thing is getting all these old baseball cards and stuff out of here, so we can actually use this to put this stuff on. And I don't know if anybody's a sport card collector, but if you see anything there you like, email me. Or if you see anything, excuse me, allergies. If you see anything over there, got a bunch of books, a bunch of Civil War books. And there's an older train set right there with some stuff. And I think a bunch of old glassware in that one. But I need to get rid of a bunch of stuff. So yeah, if there's anything you're looking for, anything random, let me know, I might have it. Anyways, let's get back to here. What we're gonna do is take paint, just paint off around the holes like we did over there. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We gotta take that one out. I think this will be relatively easy. We'll put that copper, I'm gonna try to hold the copper backing on it and plug it. And if we get that done, we got time. I like to take this down to metal, excuse me, and see what we have back behind here. I mean, it doesn't feel rusted through, so maybe it's just a dent. Oh, that's a pretty good dent right there. Feels kind of thin, but we'll take all this off, see what's back there. And right through here too. Anyways, I'll get this out and then we'll start welding. Here's what the welds look like a little bit closer up. So I could use a little bit more in here. There's a little bit of hole right there. This one turned out the best, I think. I don't think I need to put anything in that. It's just a little bitty spot right there, but I don't think it goes, well, it does go all the way through, so might put a bit of weld right there. This one too has a hole right in the center. This one, a little bitty hole right there. A little bitty hole right there. All these have little bit of holes in them. I actually got that one pretty good. There's supposed to be a hole right here. I think I got it good. I'll need to fill that in right here and up here a little bit. But overall, I don't think I went too bad. The camera to focus. But yeah, we'll have to put some weld in all these. I think I got just a little bit more time left. We might hit this area with the angle grinder or angle sander and see what's underneath all that Bondo. I'm really starting to hate those pads. Can't keep one on it. Anyways, looks we might have a rust hole. And I don't know if you can tell, but a whole bunch of Bondo is all right back through here. So I think there might be even a crack. See if I can scoot you in there. Yep. Definitely a crack in it. So have to, oops. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay. I had to take the bumper off to get back here. I'm gonna try to keep this piece if I can. Try and get back in there and try to hammer it out a little bit. But I think that'll be for another time. I just kind of want to see what's back there. Doesn't look too great. I think we can make it work. Have to move this out when we do that. Kind of flip it around. Anyways, that's how she's set up right now. Glad we got those somewhat filled. We need to go back over them again. And I really want to start attacking that. I was told to leave that lip on, so I'll do that. And we'll come in here and I guess start cutting where we need to cut and lining everything up to make sure this is against this, and put some sheet metal screws in. Well, maybe not. So I'm gonna butt weld it. Should I butt weld it, or should I cut it and lap joint it, I guess you could say? What I mean by just cut this rust out through here, and then lay this up there, put some sheet metal screws in it, and then put some holes for spot welds, spot weld it in, and then either seam seal it or weld it. Will that be the best way to take care of this? Please let me know. It seems to be like it'd be easier on me to do that. I just didn't know what the best way of doing it, or try to butt weld it all the way. If you have any suggestions on that, please let me know, because I'd like to get some before I start, because I don't want to mess this up like I messed that piece we built up. So please let me know as soon as possible to either butt weld this in to this panel, or to cut the rust out and spot weld it to this piece, or spot weld it and seam weld it to it. Like I said before, I'm probably going to keep this myself. So, I mean, I like for it to look nice, but I'm going to underline coat it, or rhino coat, or lizard skin, or whatever that's called, the whole tub here. So it'll hide a little bit, but please let me know as soon as possible what the best way about doing this is. I'd really appreciate it. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. My camera is, or my phone is slowly dying, so I don't got much time left even if I want to stay out here and do stuff. But like I said, please let me know on that floor pan how to weld it in. And if you see anything in my stuff that you might like, let me know. We'll work something out. Like I said, I need to get this place looking better. A lot of stuff needs to go. That bandsaw over there, I used it a few times. I'm probably looking to sell that soon. There's a bunch of other stuff I need to get rid of. But anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I know we didn't do much tonight, but at least we got those spots somewhat welded up. We need to go back over them again. And then we'll start working on the pan. And then at some point in time when I go towards the city, we'll get a new flange tool, one that actually works. We'll check and see how good the warranty is that I bought. I wonder if it transfers to the new tool too. But anyways, thanks for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually something on the Bronco. We do need to start the Healy up again, and the Camaro. I need to start it up again. Hadn't started in a while since the windshield's busted. And I think that's it. I don't think I'll be pulling another vehicle in here until this one's done. Who knows? May get burn out on the Bronco and bring in the GMC, or I'd really like to get the GMC going so I could drive it. I have to think about that. So I got most of the parts for the engine already done. And I got an automatic transmission for it, so technically it wouldn't be too hard to get it going. But regardless, we'll keep working on something. But if you like what you see, I know I lost a few subscribers. I know the content past few times haven't been very great, but like I said before, I'm gonna take you on every step that I do, right or wrong. We'll learn, we'll get through it. But yeah, anything as mundane as taking paint off of it, it'll be a video, or taking the tires off, it'll be a video. Just everything I do to the Bronco, I'm wanting to catalog on YouTube, just so I have reference back to what I've done to it, and if anybody else needs any help, and then they can learn from anything that I do right or do wrong. I'd really hope it helps. But regardless, like I said, I'll take you on every step that I do. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.